This is our QLQ new is the model. 8 pieces polishing machine to polishing the teeth two sides and the left side, right side, and the later side, the back side. So now the zipper is coming to the machine from here. 1 hour is about 1,500 meters. And zipper go inside from here. And then out from here and then go outside and go inside again. So totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pieces view. And then here it come out. After 8 pieces polishing view machine, you can connect this 12 pieces view polishing machine, and then you also can connect 24 pieces polishing view machine or other machine. For example, this is a 24 pieces view polishing machine. Some our customer have our this polishing machine view 24 pieces polishing machine view model already, and also can connect other model. So for the details, you can send email to us. Thank you.